Good morning. It's 8:30 in the morning. Last day here sa Zambales. Zambales.
Yun nga sabi niya. Tapos na lang si Iling. Wala pa kami.
Nag-order kami guys ng corn beef. Gusto ko mag-extra ng dailies, ma. Pwede mag-order ng dailies. Extra.
Ayun na, kita ko.
Ayan, tanong ko si Kuya. Say hi.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm pushing him.
What you playing?
My toys.
You had a shower?
Yes.
Yeah. You had a shower.
Like my toys.
How's your choice? Wow. Hello guys.
Hello.
Nag-i-impake na kami guys. 12 pa naman yung ano, yung check out. It's, ano oras na doon? 9:30?
Yes.
It's 9:30 in the morning. And, yeah, that's it. That's the Zambales trip. Mabilis na kami dito guys kasi, ba't nga ba? Kasi aalis si Camille. Pupunta siya ng Hong Kong. She's going to Hong Kong tomorrow. Tapos kami, ang flight namin is June 10. Which is Tuesday. Today is Friday. Friday ba ngayon? I guess. It's public holiday. Oh no, you're missing your animals. Where's the gorilla?
And the cheetah.
Oh no, it's missing. Dito kami guys sa Razon. Gusto ko mag-halo-halo. Halo-halo. Madami naman palang choices, ma. There's burger, guys. You want burger?
Next you.
Okay, you want to next to me. Kain kami halo-halo, guys. Diyan nag-try lang na. Like it. I knew it. How about pineapple?
You like, what is it?
Four Seasons. Ay, nako, sabi niya eh. He likes it. Share.
How much is it? I don't know.
We'll get another one. Bumili ako ng halo. Ay, ano ba ito? Chicharon. Tsaka ito. Kaya mo saan. Ano ba ito? Ano tawag dito? Lengua? Ano, masarap? Sarap? Nagagawan sila ng Four Seasons. You like it too? Yeah, I like that. I told her. She didn't listen to me.
That's for high blood.
Daddy will have that after that incident today. Ano yan? Next story.
Maybe that 500 pesos is worth their own video. I made some really nice drone footage as well.
We'll tell you the story, guys, later. What happened? Gusto ako kumain guys, nagpalabok ako. Tapos kay Elijah, ham and just ham sandwich. That's yours, man. Halo, halo.
My pom-pom is kitchen.
And then kay Neil, ham, cheese, and egg. How's it? Good? Babing, come on, just try. Look, Elijah's eating, oh. Good. Dito kami guys sa bahay ng kapatid ni Papa. Sa Pampanga. Tingnan niyo yung mangga guys. Ang laki-laki. Ano yan? Here, Pap. Babing, come on. Ayaw pababa. May mga aso kasi.
This is the best kind of taco ever.
Scared of the dog? Pingwit niyo dyan. Ala, nakadami ka na, Armin. Ano yan guys? Chico. Okay, tulog na tulog yung anak ko. Hindi mo lang na-experience mamitas. Ayun o. Look at the clouds, guys. It's so dark. It's only 4:30. Looks like it's gonna rain so
Arrived home at
heavily.
7:30.
Huh?
Arriving back at 7:30.
Yeah.
7 hours.
What do you mean 7 hours?
You left at 12.
Yeah, and then we had food and then we stopped over. And then the traffic. Mama tulog. Superman. Sobrang dilim, guys. So, explain namin nangyari kanina sa Migs. Liwa. Migs at Liwa. Ano yun? Migs at Liwa. Yeah, something. Migs at Liwa. Medyo na-disappoint kami, guys, kasi ano ba nangyari? So, nag-check out na kami, right? Nag-borrow kami ng salbabida. So, ako kasi yun ang hiram. So, nung first day namin, nanghiram kami ng salbabida. So, for the rest of ng namin, ng stay namin, nasa amin na yung salbabida. Nung unang araw pa lang, malambot na yung salbabida. Hindi ko napansin na may butas na pala yun. Malambot na siya. So, pinapump ko siya kay kuya. Sabi ko, kuya, malambot. Pwede bang ipump? So, pinump nila. So, okay na. And then, kinabukasan, nag-flat ulit siya. Yun nga, kasi may butas na siya na hindi ko man lang talaga napansin. So, pinapump ko ulit. Sabi ko, kuya, flat ulit. So, pinump ulit nila. So, okay na naman. Pero naririnig na pala nila na may gumaganon daw. Pero hindi namin nareklamo. Tapos, kanina pag check out namin, pinabayaran sa amin 500 pesos, guys, kasi nabutakasan daw namin. Nanggigil ako. Nanggigil talaga ako. Sabi ko to sa atin na front desk. Sinabi ko na sa'yo, na malambot nung unang araw pa lang. Sinasabi niya sa akin, the next day na daw yun nangyari. Sumakit yung ulo ko. So, sabi ko kay nilbayaran na lang natin. Sila ng reviews. kasi kasalanan nila. Sinasabi niya, pinipilit niya na kung may butas daw yun, hindi daw nila ilalagay doon. Sabi ko, bakit malambot na nung nakuha ko? Pero sabi niya, no, ano daw, the next day na daw yun yung malambot. Anyway, hindi na kami nakipagtalo. Pero ang dami namin inconvenience doon, guys. Kaya kung mag-stay kayo sa Zambales, sa iba na lang kayo mag-stay. Kasi okay naman yung place, as in okay naman siya. Pero yung villa kasi na napunta sa amin, tumutulo siya. Tapos hindi ko alam kung lahat ng resort sa Zambales amoy kalawang yung tubig kasi deep well siya. Ganun na ganun. Sobrang tapang ng amoy ng tubig. Maganda kasi doon sa Migs kasi may swimming pool. Sa ibang resort kasi walang pool. So yun yung nagustuhan namin. At saka yung food, masarap silang magluto. So yun, may pros and cons talaga. Kasi nagandahan kami sa TikTok na na mga videos. Hindi kami nagbasa ng reviews. So sinil, nag-ano siya ng reviews. Anyway, pauwi na kami, guys. It's 4:35. Wala yung clouds. Andun lang yung clouds. Lumiwanag na. Kanina super dilim. Kala ko uulan. We're on the way home, guys. Mga 2 hours pa ata ang aming travel.
You and me cheated for a long time. You had me fooled and there were no signs. And you stole my time and I lived my life with you. Should have known that you'd never make it through. Stole my time and I lived my life with you. Should have known that you'd lose. It was all a robbery. It was all a robbery. It was all a robbery. Robbery, robbery, robbery. Stole my heart. So 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 stole my heart.
Order kami ng Greenwich. What did you order?
We have.
Oh, you're having Hawaiian.
Hawaiian.
Ma, pizza pa!
Pizza
Sa
pie.
akin, barbecue.
Hi.
Yeah, guys,
Hello.
saan ka? Are you?
Hey.
Ay,
Hey.
how was it, Papa? Puro ka naman. I'm gonna take you back to Australia, mate. Every food you eat. What are you gonna eat then?
I'm gonna eat it.
Ay, yay, nako. You're so wet. We're gonna close the vlog, guys. Nagbababay na sila kay Tata Camille and Tito Erwin. Kasi mag-Hong Kong sila tomorrow. We're not gonna see them. Bye. Baka pagbalik namin ng Australia, call Tata Camille. When we get back home. Can you call Tata Camille?
Call Tata Camille.
I'm gonna close the vlog too, guys. It's 11:45.
Close the vlog.
Maga yung flight nila tomorrow. Ano oras nga yung flight ko tomorrow? 7 a.m. So, kailangan nila nasa airport ng 3 a.m.
Yeah.
Oh, that's better than the one we got.
Midnight.
Okay, bye, guys. Bye.